upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, you should do so right now. Like, just subscribe, hit the bell, notifications, all that, okay? And if you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. So today I'm going to do a synthetic hair accessories review and demo. It's styling video. I did a haul on some synthetic wig accessories that I got, and so I will go ahead and put that up. But this one is from the company Hairdo. This is Hairdo. It's the same company that...
Sorry, people are mowing and it just is what it is, okay?
So it is the same company as the Raquel Welch. And this is called the Modern Chignon, okay? And I have it in the color R10, which is chestnut / light brown. I got it from Wig Outlet for $15.95 with 20% off. This is her right here. So she is sort of more of this color here, okay? And it does have this like clippy-doo situation. So I'm gonna put this wig up a little bit just to kind of get it out of my face. This is Free Trust Equals Valentino. I have a full Valentino playlist that I will put down below because I've done a jillion videos about her, using her, all that sort of stuff. Let's do a little bit of styling and see what I think of this particular accessory. And yeah, then I'll come back with my final thoughts.
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
Product. In terms of the clip, I would say I have reviewed a few other of the synthetic accessories. This one, I like the clip, it's pretty strong. I just don't like how the hair just sits sort of flat. It's just not my favorite of the ones that I have tried. But if you like the style and it works for what you're going for, the comb is definitely high quality. I'm just saying, if I was ranking, it wouldn't be sort of my favorite just because of how it lays, and that's just a personal preference. But like I said, the comb on it is very strong and high quality. So I would say if you like this and you are happy, you know, with it, and you're looking for something like this, then it would be a good choice, especially for under, pretty much you'll get it for under $15 if you scoop it up from Wig Outlet. So this is the style I came up with this particular synthetic wig accessory. If you like these types of videos, please let me know down below and give it a little thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you have, thank you so much, doll baby. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.